Have you ever noticed the strange little things you do every single day? The rituals no one talks about? The patterns you've built without realizing? The tiny habits that hold your life together? Or the ones that quietly reveal something deeper about who you are? Welcome to Conversations You've Never Heard. Today, we're exploring something different. Not the highlight reel of someone's life, not productivity hacks or morning routines designed for Instagram. Instead, we're listening in on a real, raw conversations about the daily rhythms that define us. The sugar packets arranged in a specific order. The steps counted between rooms. The names deliberately forgotten. The songs hummed only on Tuesdays. These are the small, strange truths we carry, the architecture of our days built from rituals we can't quite explain to anyone else. In the next few minutes, you'll hear over here 4 conversations between people talking about their daily lives. But these aren't your typical chats. Each one peels back a layer, revealing something unexpected. Grief disguised as habit, anxiety wrapped in routine, love expressed through repetition, and the quiet ways we try to control a world that refuses to be controlled. So grab your headphones, get comfortable, and let's listen to the conversations that people don't usually have out loud, but maybe should. You're humming it wrong.
Humming what wrong?
That song, the one you always hum on Tuesdays. It's supposed to go up on the 3rd note, but you keep going down.
I don't hum on Tuesdays.
Every Tuesday, 2 p.m. exactly. I've timed it. You lean back in your chair, stretch your neck, and hum the same 7 notes, badly.
That's incredibly creepy that you've noticed that.
We've worked across from each other for 3 years. I notice things. You notice things too. Don't pretend you don't.
Fine. You count your steps between your desk and the bathroom. 43 steps. You always look slightly disappointed when it's 44.
The carpet tiles are uneven near the copy room. Sometimes I have to take a weird half step. It ruins the whole rhythm.
See? We're both weird.
But why Tuesdays? Why only that day?
My daughter has piano lessons Tuesday afternoons. That song, I don't even know what it's called. It's something she's been practicing for 6 weeks. 6 weeks of the same melody over and over every evening. It lives in my head now. By Tuesday afternoon, I guess it just leaks out.
Is she good?
She's 9. She's terrible. But she practices like she's going to Carnegie Hall. 45 minutes every night, never misses. Even when her friends are outside playing, even when she's exhausted. Just her and that piano and that same damn song.
That's discipline.
That's fear. She's scared of disappointing her teacher, Miss Chen, this 60-year-old woman who never smiles. My daughter thinks if she quits, she'll have let someone down. So she keeps going. Keeps practicing, keeps hating it, but doing it anyway.
Have you talked to her about it?
What do I say? You can quit things that make you miserable? Is that the lesson? I don't know anymore. Maybe pushing through is important. Maybe persistence builds character. Or maybe I'm just making my kids suffer for some abstract principle.
The 43 steps aren't random.
What?
I count them because my brother used to tell me that routines keep you sane. He was a Marine. Everything was structure, repetition, rhythm. He'd say, chaos is what happens when you stop counting. When I count my steps, I'm keeping him alive, I guess. He died in 2019, but if I can still walk 43 steps exactly, then some part of his advice, his voice, it's still functioning in the world.
I'm sorry.
Don't be. It's just steps. But that's why the 44th one bothers me. It means the pattern broke. It means things change even when you're trying to hold them still.
Maybe your brother would say the 44th step is also okay. That adaptation is also discipline.
Maybe. Or maybe he'd tell me to fix the damn carpet tiles.
What's the song actually supposed to sound like? The one I'm humming wrong.
I don't know. I've never heard it right. Just your version. Every Tuesday at 2 p.m.
She might quit, you know. Piano. She keeps asking, I keep saying, just one more month, see how you feel.
And?
It's been 6 months of one more month. I think I'm the one who can't let go. I grew up poor. We couldn't afford lessons. The fact that she can have them feels like something I can't waste.
But she's the one paying the price.
Yeah.
43 steps. Every time. Even when it should be 44.
What if I let her quit and she regrets it later?
What if you make her stay and she resents you forever?
There's no good answer.
No, but there's an honest one.
Which is?
Ask her what she wants. Really ask. And then believe her answer.
You make it sound simple.
It's not. Nothing is. But it's Tuesday. It's 2 p.m. and you're humming wrong. Again.
Maybe that's the point.
You're doing it again. The thing with your phone.
What thing?
Opening the weather app, closing it, opening it again. You've checked it 4 times since we sat down.
The forecast keeps changing. Says rain, then no rain, then maybe rain. I need to know if I'm wearing the wrong jacket.
You're already wearing the jacket. You're inside. The weather's happening without your permission.
I just like to know what's coming. You still doing that thing where you pretend to forget people's names?
I'm not pretending. I actually make myself forget them.
On purpose?
On purpose. Every night before bed, I pick one person I met recently and I actively try to erase their name. Focus on their face, their voice, what they said, but deliberately blur out the name until it's just gone.
That's sociopathic.
It's liberating. Do you know how much brain space we waste on names? People we'll never see again, whose names sit there taking up room. The barista I had one conversation with in 2019, don't eat it. The guy from my dentist office who talked about his boat, gone.
What if you see them again?
Then I apologize and ask again. Most people are thrilled to reintroduce themselves. Makes them feel memorable. Oh, you forgot? Let me tell you again who I am. Everyone wants to be worth remembering.
But you're deliberately making yourself forget.
Right. Which means if I do remember someone's name, it actually means something. My memory is curated now. Emma, my neighbor who feeds stray cats, I remember her. Marcus, from the bookstore who recommended that novel about the lighthouse, I remember him. Everyone else is just soft, focused background noise.
What about me?
What about you?
Have you ever tried to forget my name?
Once.
Seriously?
It was early on, before we were really friends. You were just guy from the coffee shop who always checks the weather. I tried to erase Minaj as an experiment.
And?
Couldn't do it. The name stuck like a burr, kept surfacing. I'd try to picture your face without the name attached, and my brain would just scream at me in all caps. That's when I knew.
Knew what?
That you mattered. My brain was refusing to let you be background noise.
That's the weirdest compliment I've ever received.
You check the weather compulsively because you're terrified of being unprepared for something you can't control. Don't talk to me about weird.
The weather killed my grandfather.
What?
Lightning strike. He was golfing, ignored the forecast, said the sky looked fine. 9 holes in, boom. So yeah, I check. I check because weather isn't background noise to me. It's the thing that takes people away when you're not paying attention.
God, I didn't...
It's fine. It was 20 years ago. I was 7. But I still check. Every morning, every few hours. Just to know what's coming, even though I can't stop it.
And I forget names because my mom has dementia. Early onset. She's 56 and she can't remember my face some days. So I practice forgetting things on purpose. Like, maybe if I master it, I can understand what she's going through. Like maybe controlled forgetting is different than losing yourself in pieces.
Is it?
No, but I keep trying.
The forecast says 70% chance of rain tonight.
You matter to me.
You matter to me.
Good. Don't forget.
Never.
I saw you at the coffee shop this morning. You were arranging those sugar packets again.
You didn't say hi.
You were in the zone. Pink, blue, white, yellow, same order every time. I wasn't going to interrupt this sacred ritual.
It's not sacred. It's just, I don't know. The colors feel like they're building towards something. Pink is dawn, blue is morning, white is afternoon, yellow is...
Sunset?
Exactly. It's a whole day in 4 packets. Makes the actual day feel more manageable. Like I've already seen it from beginning to end.
That's either really profound or you need more sleep.
Both can be true. Why were you there at 6 a.m. anyway? You're usually a night person.
I'm trying something new. Been waking up early and going to places I normally visit later. Same cafe, same park bench, different light. It's like meeting old friends in a foreign country. Familiar, but completely changed.
And?
It's terrifying, actually. Morning doesn't know who she is yet. At night, I've got the whole day behind me, right? I know what kind of person I was today. But at 6 a.m., I'm nobody, just potential. Could be patient or short-tempered, productive or useless. Haven't committed to anything yet.
Most people would call that freedom.
Most people are lying. It's like standing in front of a blank canvas when you don't know if you can paint. Every morning is performance anxiety.
Is that why you always call your sister at 9:15? I hear you sometimes through the wall.
You can hear that?
Thin walls. I don't listen intentionally, but yes.
God, that's embarrassing. Yeah, I call Rebecca every morning. She doesn't always answer. She's in Frankfurt, 6 hours ahead. Sometimes she's in meetings, but I leave a voicemail. Just tiny things. Saw a dog wearing boots today, or the bodega guy remembered my name.
Why?
Because when we were kids, we shared a room. We'd whisper across the dark about our days, these little nonsense details. Now she's 4,000 miles away, and I guess I'm still whispering across the dark. Except now the dark is time zones and adult lives, and the fact that we don't really know each other anymore, but we're pretending we do.
She probably loves those voicemails.
Or she's blocked my number and is too polite to tell me.
Does she call back?
Sometimes, usually texts. Dog boots are everything, or whatever, small stuff, but it's something.
My sugar packets are something too, I guess. Ordering a day that doesn't want to be ordered.
Do you ever mix them up? Put yellow before pink just to feel dangerous?
Once, last month, I had this job interview I was dreading, and I thought maybe if I disrupted the pattern, the day would surprise me in good ways instead of bad.
Did it work?
I knocked over my coffee, reaching for the yellow packet. It spilled everywhere, I had to change shirts, missed my train, showed up 18 minutes late, didn't get the job.
So you're never breaking pattern again.
Never. The universe was clear.
Or you just had bad luck and you're creating meaning out of chaos, because that's what humans do.
Pink, blue, white, yellow. That's the order. That's the day.
And I'll keep whispering to my sister across 4,000 miles of nothing.
It's not nothing if it matters to you.
Same with your sugar packets.
Same with your sugar packets.